Hi everyone, we're back on the top 10 Excel functions, and the next one down the line is the choose function. So let's see what Microsoft has to say about this one. The choose function uses an index number to return a value from a list of arguments. So use choose to select up to 254 values based on the index number. It's actually easier explained by having a look at the syntax. So what you say is choose, and then you pick a value which is going to be an integer between 1 and 254, and then in your value 1, 2 and whatever number you have is your options, and essentially what number you put here, it's going to return the nth option you have here. So the index number is required. It specifies which value argument is selected. Index number must be between 1 and 254, or a formula or a reference. Now for the sake of simplicity, we're going to stick with mostly easy numbers, and maybe I'll show you a formula. If index is 1, choose will return the first value. If it's 2, it will return the second value, and so on. If index number is less than 1 or greater than the number of options you have, you're going to have an error value returned. If it's a fraction, it will be truncated to the lowest integer before being used. If index num is an array, the value is evaluated when choose is evaluated. We're not really going to deal with arrays for this purpose because that's a slightly more advanced way of looking at this. The value arguments to choose can be a range of references as well as single values. For example, you could say sum choose and then whatever is in here the second, which will in reality evaluate to sum b1 b10, because that's b1 b10, it's the second, and Microsoft specified number 2 here. Microsoft lists a number of examples here, but I thought it's easier if we just get in and look at what's going on, and we can figure out how things are. So if you start typing choose and let's say number 2, and let's say our options are as follows, say Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and I'm not going to go any further. So in this case you will get Tuesday because we said 2, and that's exactly what's happening. And if you change that to 1, you'll get Monday. If you change that to a non-integer like 1.9, you'll still get Monday, because remember, you round down whatever value you have here. Also, if you were to do 4, you get an error because we only went as far as number 3, or you get an error as well if you try to do 0. So that's the basic of choose. I suggest you have a look at the website, see if there's anything that stands out, and do feel free to give your comment, and keep watching. There's going to be more coming. Thank you.